Reading music is an important skill to develop. But since the guitar is such a strange and complex instrument when it comes to transferring notes from paper to the fingerboard, we also use diagrams and tablature. For us, getting you to actually play is the most important thing. So here's how it works. First, here's a diagram, a graphical representation of the neck with the 6 strings from the low E to the high E string. Here you have the frets, and you can clearly see where to play a note, on which string and fret. Depending on the context, we'll either provide you with fingering information, note names, or the function of the note in relation to the chord or scale. For tablature, the 6 lines represent the 6 strings with the low E string on the bottom and the high E string on top. A number represents the fret. For example, a number 3 on the second lowest line means that you should play a C note on the 3rd fret of the A string.